your boy Guatu Emmanuel here again, and I would say Happy New Year to you all in advance. We are just a few hours away from the New Year from this side of the world. It's the last day of the year 2024, and we are thankful to God for the opportunity to be here today to see the opportunity to see the last day in the year 2024. We thank God for that and we bless Him for His protection, His guidance, His transformation. I will tell you, this year has been a great transformation for me. It has really been a great transformational year for me, and I'm thankful to God. Okay, so I want you all to be thankful to God for the opportunity to be here, the opportunity to see another new year. Another new year. So we bless God for the opportunity to see another new year. Okay, so just a quick one. I want to show us what I am seeing on the market today on gold. Okay, I am majorly a gold trader. I love trading gold. I really love trading gold. I really love trading gold. So I'm majorly a gold trader. Okay, so gold is repeating exactly the same thing, but if you ask me, I would say gold right now is in a downtrend, and it's about to make a very nice move to the downside. Okay, if you ask me. Now there has been a break of structure here. This is the 4 hour. There has been a break of structure here. Okay, there has been a break of structure here, and now this break of structure has caused the market to go back to fill in all inefficiency that it left. Okay, and right now this analysis I'm doing right now is to show how I trade, what I look at in the market, what I see, what I want to see in the market before I get on my trades, before I get on any of my trades. Okay, so look at it. Let us talk about, now we've seen a break of structure. We've seen a break of structure. The market has been to the upside. We've seen a break of structure, but at the same time, we are not the market, and the market can do whatever it wants to do. Okay, we don't have the power over that. All we just need to do is just to see that the market is doing this, and we follow it to how far we can. Okay, to how far we can. Now look at this. Let me show you. I also use momentum. I use momentum a lot. Now look at this. It took how long? It took the market 14 days to make this move to the downside and break the structure. Okay, and now we had inefficiency here. This inefficiency was to fill in the inefficiency on the buy side here. Okay, so we had inefficiency here, coming down, inefficiency all through this part. Now how long did it take the market to fill in this inefficiency from buyers and sellers? It took the market 27 days. It took the market 27 days to fill that. 27 days. Okay, that enough is to tell me that okay, this move right now is more or less a corrective move. Okay, you can see it took the market 27 days to fill in this fair value gap and take out the liquidity that is lying up here. Okay, and at the same time it made a double head for people that use patterns. Okay, after making the double head, it came to break this structure. Okay, it came to break the structure. After breaking the structure, the same thing, okay, the same thing that we see that happened here, is still the same thing that keeps happening everywhere. It's still the same thing that keeps happening everywhere. Let us look at another example. Look at this recent example that happened here. This one is really recent. Okay, now look at this break. Here. Made this impulsive move. And then if we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, we will see that trade we will see that trade well. Okay, you see another break here, you see this impulsive move here too, the same thing. Now saying how long did it take? It took 16 hours. Okay, it took 16 hours to make this move. Now going back to filling every single inefficiency and everything that is there, how long did it take the market? It took the market 7 days. 7 days. Now after filling in the inefficiency, the market has now broken the last low, the last lower high it formed. Why? How did I know that? Now look at this. Now it formed this lower high with this higher low, higher high, sorry, and came and it broke it, swept out liquidity. Okay, came down, broke this one. Okay, it broke that one, and right now what are we seeing? We are seeing a retracement. If we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame, so it will be much more clearer. Okay, that same thing I talked about, look at it right here. It is practically everywhere. Look at this impulsive move right here. It took the market 2 hours, okay, for the market to go back to fill in the inefficiency, the imbalance from buyers and sellers. How long did it take the market? It took the market practically 2 days, 12 hours. Look at another one again. Look at that same one. This is what momentum, how important momentum is, so that you all know what the market is doing. Look at this. It took the market 5 hours. How long did it take the market to retrace on that, to go back and fill in all imbalance? It took the market 4 hours, 30 minutes. You can see it can happen, it can be the same thing, it can be closed. We are not the market, we just anticipate. Okay, but this one I will have waited for a more deeper low, or waited to see that this high was maintained. Okay, the moment I say that this high was maintained, then I'll know that okay, yes, this market is a good sell-off. Okay, I will know that the market is a good sell-off. Now look at that same thing. The market came, broke this, took the market 3 hours to do it, and right now the market has been correcting on that. And right now the market approximately has made about 15 hours on that correction, and it is not yet done. Okay, because the same thing that happened here, you saw it came, make a lower low, went up, made an higher high, took out the liquidity to the upside, look at the liquidity to the downside, retraced, test it, and started going down again. Is the same thing I would love to see it. Okay, if we go down to the lower time frame, it might already be doing it. Okay, but I would love a much stronger confluence for it to happen on the higher time frame. Though I don't think I'll trade it. I'm just making the analysis and wanting to see, and you just say for testing for me. I won't be trading it because this is the last week, and I'm also I'll be resuming my trades next week Monday, but I won't be trading this. But you can see it as starting to fair value, inefficiency, or fair value gap, as whichever you want to call it. Okay, but we would love it to make some noise. I love to call it noise. We would love it to make all this noise. Now once it makes all this noise and this high, this lower high, the last lower high is maintained, okay, it doesn't close with a big body candle, they will know that okay, yes, we are expecting a down momentum, and we can follow the market. Now we've seen this break, the previous break. There has been a previous break here, okay, and there is sufficient space from the last break to the low. There is sufficient one. Okay, there is sufficient one. 9 bars. Okay, we have 9 bars, so we know that we are expecting something good if possible. Okay, so that is my analysis. Let us just watch out and see how we go. So what I use is I use the last low and the last high. You can also call it support and resistance. Okay, I make sure that I will first know the market structure. What's the market structure? For me right now, the market is in a downtrend. Okay, on the time frame that I am analyzing, the market is in a downtrend. Is in a downtrend. Okay, and now what do I want to see? I want to see the market complete the correction and give me a nice entry candle. You can see it has made some sort of a bearish engulfing right there. It has made some sort of a bearish engulfing. Okay, but we would love to see more. We would love to see more. We would love to see more. We would love to see all our entry complexes. Okay, I'm not trading it though. For me, it's just to better improve my trading, because entering into next year, my brother, by January, I want to have passed my 50k account. I want to have passed my 50k account. That is my goal for January, to pass that 50k account. Okay, I want to enter into February, or be in February with a funded 50k account. That is my goal. That is my goal, and I know by the grace of God I will achieve it. Okay, so after that, after knowing the structure, I check the last high, check the last low, or whichever the market is trending. Then I check the break of structure. Okay, once the break of structure have happened, I see how did it break it. Was it impulsive? Was it with a sharp move or so? Okay, are there inefficiency between buyers and sellers? Are there inefficiency? I look for that inefficiency, I outline it, and I wait for the market to go and fill out that inefficiency. And the market going out to fill out that inefficiency, I won't like it to go with speed. Okay, I would love it to go to be longer than the wave that broke the structure. Okay, I would love it to be longer than that, and that's what I want to see. So that is how it goes, people. So let us watch out and just see how far this trade goes. Okay, thank you. Hi YouTube, how are you all doing? Okay, so I think my face is really white though. Okay, so that trade I analyzed, that I did the video, I did the analysis and everything, I actually traded it. I got on the sell, although on a smaller time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes and 1 minute. So it was just really a short trade. It was actually a 1 to 2 trade. My face is really white though. It was actually a 1 to 2 trade. Okay, so it was a trade I hit take profit immediately. Well, probably it took about an hour or so, okay, to really take profit, and it gave me exactly that entry on the smaller time frame. I saw it on the 5 minutes and on the 1 minute, and I got on it, and I knowing that it was on a smaller time frame, where my take profit wasn't far, okay, because I know that on a smaller time frame it will not run to exactly that place I put it, but it went well, and that's what we want to do. More of the profit, more of the risk to reward, understanding that when you trade on a smaller time frame, your take profit should also be on that smaller time frame, because definitely there will be an higher time frame retracement, liquidity sweep and the likes of that. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and the next video will be in 2025, the year of massive growth, massive profitability, massive withdrawals. Everything will be massive starting from January, starting from the 1st January, which is just some few hours away from now. So allow me to say happy new year in advance, and see you in 2025. It's our year from the very beginning. It's our year. See you 2025. Thank you. Stay blessed. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, and stay blessed.